Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Oliver Rennick here to take you through today's market action. Stocks ended down, reversed from early trading, and snapped an 8-day winning streak in the case of the S&P 500, finishing down more than 0.75%. The Dow and the Nasdaq posted similar losses. Small caps led declines, down more than 1.5% as things all went awry following a bad bond auction in the 30-year Treasury. When it comes to the S&P 500 sectors, all 11 were down on the day. Healthcare, consumer discretionary, and real estate led declines. Let's take a look at some of the specific stocks that were on the move. One spot of good news: Disney shares, a spike in streaming subscriptions and better than expected earnings had Walt Disney shares on the rise again. CEO Bob Iger also said the company expects streaming to reach profitability in the fourth quarter of next year. Warner and Paramount also rallied today after the actors and studios came to a deal to end a 118-day strike. A bearish analyst take on Tesla had shares of Elon Musk's vehicle giant tanking. HSBC initiated coverage of the automaker today with an effective sell rating, $146 price target to go with the reduce rating. More than 30% downside signaled by that expectation from Thursday's market opening price. Tesla was not the only EV stock to drop, though. Rivian and Lucid also lost more than 4% each on the day shortly after their own earnings. Nvidia closed higher for the 7th straight day after reports that the company is set to unveil a series of microchips specifically for China. This comes after the U.S. government blocked Nvidia and other chip makers from selling high-end chips to China in mid-October. Nvidia's earnings report comes out on November 21st. Tomorrow morning, we'll be watching the latest consumer sentiment print. Your last piece of big economic data for the week comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central. That's it for The Wrap. I'll see you in the morning. I'm Oliver Rennick. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.